In the previous tutorial, we examined the Lumetri waveform scopes found in Adobe Premiere. In this tutorial, we'll explore the RGB parade scope, which is similar to the waveform, but different in that it displays the red, green, and blue trace as separate channels. The RGB parade is most helpful with balancing color, which I'll explain in just a moment. First, let's take a look at the different ways the RGB parade can be displayed by selecting the wrench icon, then going down to parade type, and choosing one of the 4 parade display options. The RGB mode displays individual luma and chroma levels of the red, green, and blue channels. The YUV mode, also called the YCBCR parade, displays the luminance on the left, blue minus luma in the center, and red minus luma on the right. The RGB white mode is similar to the RGB mode, but displays each color channel without using color overlays. And finally, the YUV white mode, which is the same as the YUV mode, displays the luminance, blue minus luma, and red minus luma, but without using color overlays. Now let's look at some examples with the RGB parade scopes. A balanced image is when the shadows are black and the highlights are white. The trace information of a balanced image will show the red, green, and blue channels matching across the shadow and highlight ranges in the scopes. If the image is unbalanced, the red, green, and blue channels will appear offset or out of balance with each other in the highlights, causing the image to have a strong color cast or color bias, like in this next example. As you can see, the blue channel is elevated above the red and green channels, giving the image a cool blue color cast. In this next shot, the red channel is elevated above the green and blue channels, giving the image a warm color cast. And finally, in this image, the green channel is elevated above the red and blue channels, giving the image a green color cast. The RGB parade is a great tool for spotting these color imbalances and is also helpful for correcting them. That is why the RGB parade is one of the most popular scopes used among colorists. In future tutorials, I'll demonstrate how to color balance an image using the RGB parade scope as our guide.